Hello. So this is you guys' website. Looking at it, you guys don't have too much content on here. The website looks nice though, but you got 545 words of content. You'll see what your competition has in a second. He has quite a bit more. But you want to, the more content you have, the better. Google loves content. That'll just help you rank on Google. And you also want to make sure you have keywords within that content, but um, you don't want to keyword stuff. So you just want to have them naturally flow and not, a lot of content with, keywords within there organically. Next thing is let's look at these images and see what they're saved as. So you would want this saved as a keyword as well. It just gives you another opportunity. It's a missed opportunity if you don't do that for Google to find a keyword on your website. Basically, the more Google can't see images, but it can see what they're saved as, and then it takes that as a keyword. So it just is a missed opportunity. Let's go to Roof Repair Minneapolis. It looks like you guys had Minneapolis here right off the bat, so I just went there for roof repair. Coming here, going down, grabbing this top guy right here. This is what it takes me to. It's a service page, so it's a back page. But he has quite a bit of content on here, and he's ranking pretty well for this page. He has 1,515 words, so you'd probably want to have 2,000, or you could go as high as you want to beat that. The more content you have, the better. Again, but let's see if he does his images right. He probably doesn't. A lot of people don't. He doesn't. It's just a missed opportunity. Now you can beat him with that opportunity. The next thing, let's type you guys into Ahrefs. It's a cool tool. It lets you see your backlinks, your referring domains, your keywords. It gives you a UR score and a DR score. Your guys's are not too bad. They definitely could be better, but 17 and 16's it's decent. But let's see what you guys are ranking for with the keywords. You also got 715 people a month coming to your website. Majority of them, this keyword here, volume was 7,900, but that doesn't seem to help you much. You want keywords that are location specific, like the siding repair Minneapolis. Looks like you guys ranked number one for that, so that's good. There's 20 people that search that a month, and it's 0 KD, so it's very easy to rank for. And you guys are ranked number one. You get 9 people a month to your website from that keyword. So that's probably the one that you probably do a fair amount of siding repair, I would guess. Come down here, let's see. Yeah, siding, Maple Grove, Minnesota, 30 and 0. So it looks like you guys do a lot of siding. You guys are ranked number 2 for that, and you get 5 people a month. So that's what I would guess just looking at this. I don't see other keywords that are all that specific. But let's go and look at your competition. So this guy's UR score isn't as good as DR scores. I think a tad bit better. I wanted to see what you guys, how many backlinks and referring domains you had. You guys had you guys had some. This guy, I think, he has more. Yeah, he has more. So you can come in here and go after the ones that he has. I always click the wrong one for some reason. You can check this too, but this blows them all up. You can come in here, see what ones he's got, and go after them as well. You want to go after the one that are high DR and high UR. You don't want to go for the spammy ones. You don't want spammy backlinks. That'll hurt you. So you don't want low numbers. You also want to make sure it's relative to your industry. You don't want fast food or deep sea diving, or something that's not relevant to construction or roofing. You want something that's relevant to your industry. It'll give you more power. Let's come here, see what this backlink's coming from. It looks like it's a roofing calculator estimate. He's got a backlink in here somewhere. He might have it in here as a blog commenting, but I don't see it. Is this it? No. But he's got it. I could do a little more researching and find it. But yeah, he is in there somewhere, and he's getting a backlink from that. And this just looks like it's either a guest post. It's probably a guest post. It could just be a blog. Sorry, right there. he gets this. So he gave him this picture, and they gave him a backlink for it. So yeah, it's a blog or a guest post. Um, it's pretty high value, so I'd say it's a guest post. But you can see, reach out to them, see if they can give you one as well, and just go down the line and grab all the ones you like and get the high valued ones. And then you can start out ranking him. You can go after the competition, other competitors, and grab theirs as well, and start beating them all when it comes to that. Different types of backlinks. There's guest posts, blog commenting, blogs, sponsors, news articles, anything that would link back to you. And again, just stay specific to your industry as well as going after high value and away from spammy ones. So it looks like this guy does a lot of chimney repair. He does ice dam removal, gutter repair, roof repair. All these he's first page for, except for that one. Don't know why that's not location specific, so that's not that doesn't really matter. That one doesn't matter either. But the location specific ones he's got, he's up there on the pages for. If you want to go after those, you can. Roof repair Minneapolis, 60 volume, 8 KDs, ranked number 2. So 8 KD is pretty easy to rank for. The higher the KD is, the easier it is to rank for. I'm sorry, the lower the KD, the easier it is to rank for. And then also you want high volume. So this 3 KD, it's very easy to rank for. If you wanted that, this 1 KD, super easy. Obviously this 0 is even easier. But yeah, you can come down here and find all the ones like gutter installation. It's hoping to find roofing one, roof repair, MN. It's not all that good. It's just the whole Minnesota. It's only 20. But yeah, you can come down here and find all the ones. I'm gonna do this and just try to get location specific ones. Roof repair right there, 30 and 10. But yeah, you can find all the ones you like and go after those. And we can check out St. Paul, Twin Cities, any cities you want, and go after those, because there's going to be a bunch of them out there. And we could also, what else do you guys do? Exteriors, let's see, services. You do roofing, siding, and replacement windows. So we could check those ones as well, and find out and go after the good keywords there. Next thing is a GMB. So let's go grab the step guy. And I saw you guys had one. Obviously, you want to make sure you have it 100% complete. You don't want to skip steps. Then you want to make sure you have as many photos as you can. Photos of the content for the GMB. And then would be citations. Citations are just directories. You want to make sure your name is the exact same, as well as your phone number and your location when it comes to citations. Plugging guys in here, you guys have 49 citations. This guy has 55. Obviously, your location is a little different, Inver Grove Heights versus Minneapolis. So you can set up a GMB over in Minneapolis if you wanted to, and one in St. Paul, and wherever you want. Or you can just stick to the Inver Grove Heights and work on this one. But yeah, you can come in here and grab all the other citations you want. Citations are just directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, White Pages, a whole bunch of them. There's a lot of them free. You can get a citation from social media as well as Facebook, Pinterest, a whole bunch of them out there. It's time consuming, but it's something you can do. Hopefully that helps. If you guys want, we can talk more. I would like some feedback if you could. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps you guys. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye.